Ethereum broke that psychological resistance right at $2,000. Bitcoin did a thing, breaking a record. We're going to get into that. And of course, I cannot forget about the graph, GRT. Let's go. So before we get into it, make sure you subscribe if you have not already to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So jumping right into coin market cap, what do we see with Bitcoin? Right above $57,000. But like I said, Bitcoin did a thing. It broke $1 trillion market cap. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. We're just getting started. Let's take over that gold market cap of $10 trillion. So let's go. We got Ethereum at $2,034, breaking that psychological resistance, like I previously said, with a $232 billion market cap. So that's just a fraction of Bitcoin. Binance Coin hanging in there, $283, had a massive move. Expect a correction. It's completely normal. Polkadot pushing $40. Hey, let's go. We saw Cardano live yesterday break that dollar resistance. Now we're trying to push for all-time high. Let's go, Cardano. Let's make it happen. Chainlink's looking mighty fine. I wanted to point out Uniswap is pushing that $30 area, up currently about 40% in the last 24 hours. Guys, Uniswap is a serious coin to check out when version 3 launches. Wow, when version 3 of Uniswap launches, I cannot imagine the price of the Uni token. So just keep in mind on that. We're having a lot of green today, what I like to see. So moving on to Ethereum. Let's go look. Ethereum making all-time high, like I said, after all-time high, once we broke all-time high right around the $1,440 region, somewhere in that range. I want to show you guys something. How high do I think it can go? So when I say when we break all-time high, I always say, breaking all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. And it's what does that really mean? So typically they do more than a double. Typically they do that. So I just want to measure compared to what Bitcoin has done. So right now with Ethereum, we're currently about 18 days from the all-time high break. And we're also up about 40%. So 18 days and 40%. Keep that in mind. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin broke all-time high right around here, $20,000 and at that candle. So right about there. So it's been about 190% with 66 days. So Ethereum's barely made a move. It's only been 18 days. It still has a bunch more days to go compared to what Bitcoin has done. Wow. So what if Ethereum has a 190% gain? Let's go back there. So let's move the Ethereum down a little bit. What if Ethereum has a 190% gain from all-time high, from breaking all-time high? 190% is literally off the chart. You guys are going to be shocked at this. We're talking a $4,227 Ethereum. I don't know about you, but that is pretty exciting. See a $4,227 Ethereum. So just 4,000 even still, that's massive gains being made there if it would continue the trend that Bitcoin has done. And a little side note, that bear flag we drew, guys, it broke out, hit the target of $55,000. Whoa, that's just amazing. Ben, we actually exceeded it. We're at $57,000 at the time of this recording. But of course, back to Ethereum, if it would do the same thing, have the same breakout, have the same percentages over the period of amount of days, expect in the next 40 some days, possibly a $4,000 Ethereum. I'm obviously not a financial advisor, just a silly dude on the internet, but I showed you guys, I compared it, and we've seen it again and again with the altcoins. What do they do when they break all-time high? You already know. They make all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. So be prepared to see Ethereum go flying. And something else that has me super duper bullish on Ethereum, I showed this on the live stream yesterday. We got Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V. You should definitely go follow him if you have not already. He says, looking forward to trade NFTs for the rest of my life. Will be fascinating variable in real life. It's hard to trade items so easily. So Gary V's into buying sports cars. He's into buying stuff like that. He's an entrepreneur. If you have not known that already, definitely give him a follow. Watch some of his videos. But a non-fungible token, NFT, is just a digital art. They have digital cards, and you can trade them on the Ethereum blockchain. Millionaires and billionaires are getting into the digital art space. And right now, from my research, they need one thing, Ethereum. So are you bullish on Ethereum now? Let me know down in the comments below. So that's a little wrap about Ethereum. Of course, I have not forgotten about the graph. We got to check the graph out. Things are looking mighty fine with the graph. Guys, look, we've we've had this here for a while, just drawing the fib. Bam, we fell down all the way down to the 618, around $1.70, came back up, got rejected at the 236, which was around $2.43. Keep that number in mind. We came back down, but this time a little higher at the 0.5, around $1.91. Looking mighty fine. Let's go, graph. We're holding it. We pump back up. Just couldn't quite make it. We kind of got stuck here around 230. Couldn't make it for a little while. We're on the 4 hour. Keep that in mind. Guys, look. Like right now, literally at the time of this recording, we tried to break on the last 4 hour candle. We tried to break that 243. We popped it, but we came back down on the candle. So as you can see right here, we came back down. But right now, at currently time, we're trying to break that 243. If we can break that, let me make a visual. If we can break this, hold this as support, stay above, and then continue to make high. We're going to be making all-time highs then, possibly making all-time highs this weekend, possibly. If this holds, guys, if this holds. If it doesn't, be patient. Be patient. I know a lot of people are getting bored with this. I know a lot of people are getting, oh, the graph's not moving, the graph's not moving. Guys, that's a great time to buy. Great time to buy. Not financial advice, but when people get sick of things, that's typically a sign that it's back the truck up and load it up, if you know what I mean. Right now, it's pretty exciting. It's pretty exciting. I do want to pull up the MACD. What does the MACD look like right now? On the 4 hour, it's literally just had the bullish cross. Our side's coming right back up, breaking the previous high right there, and more recent one. That's good. I would love to see it get back up to 94 on the RSI. And yeah, of course, this just broke, guys. I think this weekend could be exciting for the graph. Could be exciting. I mean, look at that right here. That's major. Once we break that, like look at how many 4 hour candles were above 243. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 1 wick, 2 wicks. We had 2 wicks, but only 4 4 hour candles. That's nothing. Once we break that, get above the 71 for sure. There's definitely resistance around 270, 271. Micro resistance, not as big as this 243 area. And keep in mind, $3 is that even number. It's definitely going to be a little bit of psychological resistance. Humans, that's just how it works. Just how it works. So do keep that in mind. But I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing make an all-time high after all-time high after all-time high in the near future. As always, we gotta watch Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin gonna be doing? If Bitcoin starts crashing down, then I expect alts to follow. If Bitcoin goes sideways, alts could actually flourish with this massive gain it has done. So what do you guys think about the graph? Are you guys excited? Currently at 244, can we hold this? I want to see this on the daily. I want some confirmation on the daily. This thing needs to have a body above 243 on the daily, okay? And the daily just means the daily chart, so the daily candle, because we have not had a daily candle above here. We want it up here. I want to see it hold this as support. I want to see the candle close something like that, above that support right there, above that resistance, and flip it as support. So just keep that in mind. We definitely want to see that, and if that's the case, super bullish on it, super bullish. So what do you guys think about the graph right now? What do you think about Ethereum? You think it could possibly hit 4,000 bucks? And Bitcoin doing that thing of hitting $1 trillion market cap? Let's go. And one last thing though, are you guys into NFTs? Are you guys bullish on Ethereum because of NFTs? Let me know down below. I know the gas fees are a little rough right now, so keeping that in mind. And of course, follow on the crypto homie at homie_crypto on the tweeters. I post before I go live, so definitely want to do that. And I just want to thank you guys all for watching the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're having such a great time on those live streams, so stay tuned for more. And as always, have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on the internet. And until next time, I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Bye-bye.